Step number 3 is lay down a plan. So what I mean is, so you're gonna think, okay, now I talked to those people, or I prayed and I got the guidance. So now what's next? Do I go and talk to the person directly? Do I wait? Do I talk to another person? So you have the counsel, you have what to do, but now what's the next step? So if you have talked to the people who advised you what to do, they probably have told you, okay, this is what you need to do. So that would be your next step. If you have prayed and you have received divine guidance, and that guidance told you, okay, you need to talk to that person directly, that's what you need to do. So lay down the plan. What is my next step? And then follow through on that.